Hello, it's your mortgage guy, Brandon Rusford. It's a great time to buy a home in terms of buyer competition. If you are making an offer right now, you're going to be able to ask for a lot from a seller, in my personal opinion, more than likely, because there's not a lot of buyer competition, especially this part of the year. January, February, November through like March are great times to consider buying a house. But anyways, let's take a look at some products. We're going to talk about conventional and FHA because FHA and conventional are typically compared to each other. Some realtors and people think conventional is better. In my opinion, they're equivalent. It just matters most what's the best for your wallet, right? Sometimes FHA wins. Sometimes conventional wins. The only thing that matters is, was it cheaper, right? Was it more efficient? Did it get you into the house? Did it save you money compared to the other guy, right? That's all that matters. So the advantage of FHA is it allows you to have a lower credit score, but it depends on what's in the credit report, right? So there can be limiting factors there. Look that up, make sure you know what those are, or give me a call and I can fill you in on those. But down to 500, depending on your credit score, typically you're putting 3.5% down if you're 580 north. Okay. And upside about FHA is they allow single wides and double wides. It's a really good deal. All right. Especially if you're looking for a manufacturer, but if you're looking for a condo, if you're looking for a house, it's a great option. Another option in FHA land is down payment assistance. I have about 4 lenders off the top of my head. I can think Open Mortgage, EPM, which is Equity Prime Mortgage, Orion, which is where this boost comes from. Orion has 3 down payment assistance options. They're great for people who don't necessarily have 3.5% down. The downside is your rate's going to be slightly higher. The other downside is they might require, like Orion right here saying you need a 640 credit score. That might be a downside for you, right? But it's a great product for those who qualify and want to take advantage of it to stop paying rent or to move out of their in-laws house or whatever the goal is. I don't know what the goal is. So whatever your goal is, if you got questions about how to achieve it, give me a call. Now in conventional land, again, a lot of people think conventional is better than FHA. I don't initially think it's better. I think it serves its own purpose, right? It's a great product. Conventional loans are great products. These two you should know, HomeReady and Home Possible. HomeReady allows you to get a home with 3% down. It's a great deal for conventional, and it typically gets you a better rate than just a regular conventional mortgage gets you, okay? You do have to do like a home buyer education inside of the 12 months that you're getting the mortgage, but it takes a little bit of time to save a considerable amount of money over the life of the mortgage. It's a good deal. Gifts, grants, community seconds, cash on hand. It's all available for conventional loans to get you into the house, right? You can get help for these. All right. Home Possible is another option in conventional loan that's great for first-time home buyers. And again, 3% down, gifts allowed, no credit score allowed. So if you don't have a credit score, you can use alternative forms of credits to proof that you qualify. So it's a great product. No geographic limits, no income limit to low income areas. So it's a great product for people who are looking to get into a home, but need something that doesn't require 10% down or 5% down. It's a great product. So if you have any questions, feel free, reach out to me. I look forward to helping you get into a house in Florida, Georgia, or Alabama. Have a blessed day.